Shall we grab some tea? Or I'll do it for you. Two ways to sound polite and helpful in English. Let's break them down. So, to make offers and decisions, we can use will and the base form of the verb. For example, I will help you with your homework. Don't worry, I'll carry the bag for you. So, here we're trying to offer help or do something for someone. For decisions, we can say, I'm cold. I will close the window. He is calling. I will answer it. So we can use will for quick decisions and kind offers made on spot. So it's not a planned action, it's just a quick decision. We can use shall for suggestions and offers. For example, let's go for a walk. Shall we study together? Why don't we try a new game? Some more examples. I'll help you with your homework. I'll open the window. I think I'll have a coffee. I don't think I'll go out tonight. Shall we go to the park? Shall I make dinner? So we can use shall for suggestions and will for decisions and to offer help. Let's try to solve some exercises. So we have sentences, verbs carry, do, eat, send, show, sit, and stay. My backpack is really heavy. I'll carry it for you. Enjoy your trip. Thanks. I will send you a postcard. I don't want this apple. Well, I'm hungry. I'll eat it. Would you like a chair? No, it's fine. I'll sit on the floor. Did you call Mark? Oh no, I forgot. I'll do it now. Are you coming along? No, I don't think so. I'll stay here. How do you use this gadget? Hand it over and I'll show you. So we can also use I think I will and I don't think I'll and then these verbs buy, go, have, take, watch. It's quite chilly today. I don't think I'll go outside. I'm feeling peckish. I think I'll have a snack. I feel very exhausted. I don't think I'll go for a run. I love this jacket. I think I'll buy it. This phone is too pricey. I don't think I'll buy it. So now we have verbs help, call, visit, take, and bring. I forgot to inform her. I will call her now. You look tired. So use some water. I will bring you some water. He can't carry that box. I will help him. We are free this weekend. We will visit our cousins. She dropped her pen. I will take it to her. Now we need to select the best options, will or shall. I'm hungry. I will make something to eat. Shall we sit near the window? He's at the door. I will open it. Shall I write your name for you? I think it will rain later. So, in today's lesson, we learned that we can use will for making offers and decisions, and shall for making suggestions and offers. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.